In the previous video about Nayak committee method of working capital assessment, I made a mention working capital is assumed as 25% of estimated turnover. So the question is why they are making an assumption it is 25% of the estimated turnover. Because when they assume working capital is this, they are saying the current asset of this build-up will be 25% of the estimated turnover. So why they are considering this figure 25%? See, 25%, if you compare it with the period, let's say in a year, if you compare, the 25% of a year is 3 out of 12 months. Am I right? 25% in a year is nothing but 3 out of 12. So this is basically 3 months, or this is actually 90 days. So this method makes an assumption that the working capital requirement of a business will be for 90 days. So whatever turnover they are going to make, of that 90 days, the funds are going to get logged in inventory receivables, and for that they need funding support. So 25% logic is it is assumed as 90 days or 3 months.